I've never believed in the theory that if we're on the same management team and a decision has to be made and I decide in a way that you don't like and I say, come on, buy into the decision, buy into it. We're all on the same team, you don't agree, but buy into it, let's go make it happen. Because what happens is sooner or later, you're paying somebody to do what they think is right, but then you're trying to get them to do what they think isn't right. And sooner or later it outs, and you end up having that conflict. So I've always felt that the best way is to get everybody in a room and talk it through until you agree. Everybody that's really involved in that decision that needs to execute it. We're paying people to tell us what to do. In other words, I don't view that we pay people to do things. That's easy, to find people to do things. What's harder is to find people to tell you what should be done. That's what we look for. So we pay people a lot of money, and we expect them to tell us what to do. I can't even recall a time when I've said, damn it, I'm the CEO and we're doing it this way. I can recall a time when I've said, we don't see eye to eye, and you're off the team. I've had to say that once or twice over a prolonged period of time when a person has not wanted to go in the same direction we've wanted to go in as a team. It's my job every once in a while to say, hey, you want to go this way? We want to go this way. It's not working. When people are on the team, then we work it out.